Now, it is the common emitter transistor. It is emitter terminal, it is a base terminal, it is a collector terminal. Emitter is a common for input side and output side. Emitter terminal is present in input side, emitter is present in output side. It is a common emitter transistor. They told very clearly this emitter terminal is connected to ground. Ground means potential is zero. Here potential zero. Here potential zero. Here also electric potential zero. The reason is voltage between base and emitter is zero. Here it is connected to ground. Potential of the earth is zero. Here potential zero. Here potential zero. Here also potential zero. The reason is potential difference between base and emitter is zero. Potential difference between base and emitter is zero. Here 0 volt. It is connected to ground. It is 0 means it is 0. It is 0 means it is 0. The potential difference between these two is given as 0. Potential difference between base and emitter is 0. It is connected to ground. 0 potential. It is 0 potential. It is also 0. 0 minus 0, that is 0. Potential difference between base and emitter is 0. Here potential is 0. Yes? Here input potential. Now please listen here. Now input potential is given as 20 volt. It is input potential is given as 20 volt. Here potential 0. Here potential 20. It is at a higher potential. It is at a lower potential. Current flows from a higher potential to lower potential. This current we are calling as the base current. This current we are calling as the base current. Current is equals to base current, base current, base current. IB is equals to base current is equals to more value minus less value, VI minus 0 by resistance, base resistance is 20 volt by base resistance 500 kilo ohm. 500 kilo ohm means 10 power 3. Now please listen. Base current is equals to 20. I am writing 20 by 5 into 2 zeros 10 power 2. 10 power 3. 2 zeros means 10 power 2. 10 power 3. Totally 10 power 5. 10 power 5. That is equals to 5 1 ja 5 4 ja 4 into is 10 power plus 5 comes to numerator 10 power minus 5. This can be written as 40 into 10 power minus 6 ampere. That is equals to 40. 10 power minus 6 means a microampere. Base current is equals to 40 microampere. And one more thing. Here, now it is connected to ground. Potential 0. Here potential is 0 means here also potential 0. The reason is potential difference across collector and emitter is 0. Here 0. Here also 0. Then the difference in potential is 0. Here it is connected to ground. Here potential 0. Here also 0. The reason is potential difference across collector and emitter is 0. Here potential difference 0. And here potential is 0. Here 0 potential. Here 20 Potential is 20. It is at a higher potential. It is at a lower potential. Current always flows from a higher potential to lower potential. Current always flows from higher potential to lower potential. It is collector current. It is collector current. Collector current is equals to collector current is equals to IC is equals to IC is equals to current more potential by resistance, more value by less value. 20 minus 0 by resistance value 4 kilo ohm, 4 into 10 power 3. 20 minus 0, 20 by 4, 10 power plus 3 comes to numerator, 10 power minus 3. 4 1 ja, 4 5 ja. 5 by 1 means 5 into 10 power minus 3 ampere. That is equals to 5, 10 power minus 3 ampere means milliampere. Beta means current amplification factor in a common emitter mode of the transistor. Beta means current amplification factor in a common emitter mode of the transistor. Current amplification factor. Current amplification factor. Current amplification factor beta is equals to output current by input current. Output current by input current. IC by IB. IC. Current through the collector. 5 into 10 power minus 3. By IB current through base 40 into 10 power minus 6. Now beta is equals to 5 into 10 power minus 3. 10 power minus 6 comes to numerator, 10 power plus 6 by 40. That is equals to 5 into 10 power 6 minus 10 power 3. Nothing but 10 power 3 by 40. 10 power 3 means 1000. 1000 into 5. 5000 by 40. Last 0 cancel. 500 by 4. 250 by 2. Nothing but 125. Beta is equals to 125. No units. Now IB value 40 microampere. IC value 5 milliampere. Current amplification factor 125. The input signal given to the common emitter amplifier having the voltage gain 150. Voltage gain 150 is, now this is the input voltage. They are asking what is the output signal. Gain is equals to output voltage by input voltage. Voltage gain is represented by A suffix V. Output voltage by input voltage. Voltage gain is given as 150. Voltage gain 150. Output voltage I don't know. But input voltage is given as VI. Here no one is there. 1 into V out. 1 into V out. Output voltage is equals to 150 into VI. 150 into VI. 150 into VI. Output voltage is equals to 150 into input voltage. Input voltage is 2 cos of 15t plus pi by 3. Now output voltage is equal to 150 into 2, 300 cos of 15t plus pi by 3 volt. Students are thinking it is the answer. But you remember amplifier, the phase difference between the output voltage and input voltage is 180 degrees or pi radians. Common emitter amplifier provides a phase difference of 180 degrees or pi radians. To this output voltage, you add pi radians. The reason is, in common emitter amplifier, the output signal is differ by a phase difference of 180 degrees or pi radians. Now, the answer is output voltage is equals to 300 cos of 15t plus pi by 3 plus pi. Why I am writing this pi extra means, in common emitter amplifier there is a phase difference of pi radians. Output voltage is equals to 300 into cos of 15t plus pi plus 3 pi, 4 pi by 3 volt. Now this is the actual answer. Please remember problem number 7. In a common emitter transistor amplifier, the audio signal voltage across the collector is 3 volt. Voltage across the collector is 3 volt. Voltage across the collector is equals to 3 volt. The resistance of the collector is 3 kilo ohm. Resistance across the collector 3 kilo ohm, that is equals to 3000 ohm. If the current gain is 100, if the current gain is 100, if the current gain is 100, current gain means beta, that is given as 100, and base resistance is 2 kilo ohm. Base resistance is equals to 2000 ohm. 2 kilo ohm means 2000 ohm. The voltage and power gain of the amplifier is, voltage gain is voltage gain. Voltage gain, it is represented by A suffix V. Voltage gain is equals to current gain into resistance gain. Now, voltage gain is equals to minus current gain beta. Resistance gain means output resistance by input resistance. AV is equal to minus current gain. Current gain is given as 100. Current gain is given as 100. Collector resistance 3000. Base resistance 2000. 3 zeros cancel. Minus 100 into 3 by 2 means 1.5. Now voltage gain is equals to 100 into 1.5, 150. 150. It is a voltage gain. Why we are getting minus symbol? Minus symbol indicates there is a phase difference of 180 degrees between the input and output in common emitter amplifier of the transistor. Gain, power gain is equals to voltage gain into current gain. Voltage gain 150. Current gain is 100. Nothing but 150 into 100, 15,000. Consider the junction diode as ideal. Ideal diode means in the forward bias, the diode is acting as the perfect conductor. In the reverse bias, the diode is acting as the perfect insulator. The value of current flowing through AB is how much current is passing through this circuit. I is equal to V by R. V means potential difference. Here the point A is at plus 4 volt, point B is at minus 6 volt. It is at a higher potential. This point is at a lower potential. Current always flows from higher potential to lower potential. Positive terminal of the diode is connected to positive terminal of the battery. Negative terminal of the diode is connected to negative. Positive is connected to positive. Negative is connected to negative. The diode is in forward bias. Hence, current is passing through the diode. We know one formula. Current through AB is equal to potential difference across AB due to height difference, water flows. Due to potential difference, current flows by resistance across AB. Potential difference across AB. Potential difference. More value of potential minus less value. More potential value 4 minus less potential minus 6 by resistance across AB 1 kilo ohm, nothing but 1000 ohm. Current through AB is equals to 4 minus of minus plus by 1000 can be written as 10 power 3. 4 plus 6, 10 into 10 power plus 3 comes to numerator 10 power minus 3. Current unit is ampere, that is equals to 10 power 1 into 10 power minus 3. 10 power 1 minus 3 minus 2 ampere. This is the current through the AB. Thank you. If you like my video lessons, please subscribe to my channel Sai Dinesh NM. Thank you.